Alright, this is a video on how to replace a laptop screen. Just follow these instructions in reverse in order to take everything apart that you see here and keep track of those small screws. And you can find the replacement part number on the screen that I purchased for my laptop. It was a 30-pin connector screen. You have to have the same number of pins or else it won't be compatible. This is how I started. I put the screen face down on the keyboard with the 30-pin connector cable sticking up there from the laptop. Just take the cable and slide it in. It's pretty hard to work with. You just have to wiggle it, and it's not a very satisfying click or anything, but when it looks like this, then you're done and it's connected. And after this, you can prop up the screen and kind of hold it onto the lid, and then that allows you to take the whole laptop and flip it so that it's resting on the lid. And now it's easier to go in with the screws that were previously removed. There's 4 screws to this step, and it doesn't matter which order you screw everything in. And just a good hand tightening is enough. And after this step, you'll remove the screen protector. It's a lot easier to remove it now than when the frame gets put on. And to connect the frame back onto the lid, you just start snapping it in by pressing it with your fingers. And you kind of have to run your fingers around the whole border a couple times to make sure you have everything. But that's pretty easy. And then here I am just getting 2 little screws out that keep this frame on a little tighter. And I ended up actually just flipping the computer over to do this, so it was a lot easier. And pretty simple. The next step I took is the little black squares that it came with originally. I kept when I took everything apart, so I'm just putting those back in place here. This part was the hardest because you don't have a lot of feedback. Like, it doesn't feel like it's about to snap or anything. It just all of a sudden snaps and you feel like you broke something. But you can see here it didn't quite snap in all the way, so I just pushed some more on it, and then it was good.